Yo, what's up everybody? It's Making Learning here, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how what you're doing on your computer. Imagine a world without monitors, just blinking lights and lines of code. That was the reality for early computer users. Luckily, things have changed. In the last episode, we broke down the powerhouse that is your video card. Now we're switching gears to talk about where those pixels end up, the display device. We'll be exploring all the options, from the everyday monitor to the big screen experience of a projector. And to wrap things up, we'll walk you through some key video settings so you can optimize your viewing experience. Let's get started. First up, let's talk monitors. This is where most of us spend our digital lives. There are three major types: LCD, LED, and OLED. LCDs are affordable but not always vibrant. LEDs use diodes for better contrast and energy efficiency. OLEDs offer incredible contrast and vibrant colors. They're thin but pricey. Consider resolution, refresh rate, and response time. The right monitor can transform your experience. Alright, so we've covered monitors, but what if you want a truly cinematic computing experience? That's where smart TVs come in. These days, smart TVs aren't just for streaming Netflix. They can also double as fantastic display devices for your computer. One of the biggest advantages of using a smart TV as a monitor is size. Imagine editing photos, watching movies, or browsing the web on a massive 55-inch 4K display. Connecting your computer to a smart TV is usually a breeze. Most modern TVs come equipped with HDMI ports, and many even offer DisplayPort or USB-C connectivity. Just make sure your computer and TV have compatible ports, and you're good to go. The real magic of using a smart TV lies in its smart features. Imagine controlling your computer with voice commands using your TV's built-in assistant, or casting your screen wirelessly from your laptop to the big screen. Of course, there are a few things to keep in mind when using a smart TV as a monitor. Input lag can sometimes be an issue, especially for gaming. And depending on the size of your TV and your viewing distance, text clarity might be a concern. But for casual browsing, multimedia consumption, or even light productivity, a smart TV can be a great option. It's the ultimate blend of convenience and functionality. Chapter 3. Touchscreens, a hands-on experience. Now let's talk touchscreens. These displays have become increasingly popular in recent years, and for good reason. Touchscreens offer a level of interactivity that traditional monitors just can't match. It's intuitive, natural, and just plain fun. Whether you're scrolling through websites, editing photos, or playing touch-optimized games, touchscreens add a whole new dimension to the computing experience. And the best part? Touchscreen technology has come a long way. We're talking multi-touch gestures, pressure sensitivity, and incredibly responsive touchscreens. Touchscreens are particularly well suited for creative tasks. Imagine sketching or drawing directly on your screen with a stylus, or effortlessly annotating documents and presentations. And let's not forget about the portability factor. Touchscreen laptops and tablets are becoming increasingly popular, allowing you to take your work and entertainment with you wherever you go. Of course, touchscreens aren't for everyone. Some people find them less precise than using a traditional mouse, and they can be prone to smudges and fingerprints. But for those who value interactivity and a more hands-on approach, touchscreens are definitely worth considering. They offer a unique and engaging way to interact with your digital world. So, if you're looking for a more interactive experience, a touchscreen might be the perfect choice for you. Chapter 4. Projectors going big screen. Last but not least, let's talk projectors. Projectors might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think of display devices, but they can be incredibly versatile and offer a truly cinematic viewing experience. Imagine hosting a movie night with friends, enjoying a massive 100-inch projection on your wall. That's the magic of a projector. But projectors aren't just for movies. They're also great for presentations, gaming, and even just browsing the web. With advancements in projector technology, we're seeing brighter images, higher resolutions, and more portable designs than ever before. Setting up a projector is usually pretty straightforward. You'll need a flat surface to project onto, whether it's a wall, a screen, or even a bed sheet. Then connect your computer or other video source to the projector using an HDMI or VGA cable. Finally, adjust the focus and keystone settings, and you're good to go. One thing to keep in mind with projectors is ambient light. For the best viewing experience, you'll want to make sure the room is relatively dark, but with the right projector and a little bit of setup, you can create a truly immersive viewing experience that rivals even the best TVs. Outro: finding your perfect display. So there you have it. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the everyday practicality of monitors to the big screen immersion of projectors. When it comes to choosing the right display device, it all comes down to your individual needs and preferences. Are you a gamer looking for the fastest refresh rates and response times? Maybe you're a creative professional who needs a color-accurate display for photo and video editing, or perhaps you just want a massive screen for watching movies and TV shows. No matter what you're looking for, there's a display device out there that's perfect for you. As always, thanks for watching.